So here at Celis, we're an industrial burner manufacturer, and what that means is that we create gas burners, combustion systems, and thermal components that help to service ovens, furnaces, and other heating applications. And these would go into industries such as baking, metalworking, glass, and many more.
Manufacturing is what the world is built on. Everything that we use relies on some type of manufacturing, so I wanted to contribute to the world. I thought manufacturing was the place to do it.
There's something different every day, so it's not like you're stuck doing the one same thing every single day. So that's kind of nice because you can switch it up. And I came in not knowing anything, and now I'm one of the couple of people in my department that know the most of how to run that department, how to keep it going. So
once you get comfortable with what you're doing here, you'll feel better about working here because you'll gain that knowledge and you'll gain that confidence. Out of high school, if you're handy, if you're good with your hands, if you're good with mechanical devices, if you're good with, even you can change a tire. I mean, if you can do that, you should do okay at manufacturing.
I just felt college wasn't for me, that I am more geared towards manufacturing based on my mechanical ability, and I decided on machine trades, and here I am 33 years later still doing what I did when I was in high school.